Before starting a YouTube channel, you need to make sure your name is available. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps I use to check if a channel name is free. This is not legal advice, just my personal process. If you want to be 100% sure, especially for business or branding, always consult a trademark or legal expert. Go to youtube.com and type your chosen channel name in the search bar. First, type it with spaces, then try without spaces. For example, Machine in the Soul. If you type it with spaces, YouTube's all results often show you videos, music, or other content that just happens to use those terms in the title or description. That means the exact channel might not appear right away. If you type it without spaces, YouTube's search tends to treat it as a unique keyword string. This makes it easier to spot channels that are actually using that exact name, especially if your channel name has more than one word. Now, to make the check more precise, search the chosen name again and click on the filter button at the top right. Then select channel. This way, you only see existing channels with that exact name. In my case, if I type Machine in the Soul, I find my old channel, which I used only for testing and for publishing some experimental sci-fi short stories. If you find exact matches like this, it means the name is already in use. If you only see similar names, then the name is most probably available. Every YouTube channel also has a unique handle, which is simply the name you chose. You can check if a handle is taken very easily. First, visit the URL directly. Type youtube.com/@yourchannelname. In my example, that would be youtube.com/@machineinthesoul. Notice I wrote it without spaces. Press enter. If a channel opens, that handle is already taken. Now let's try a small variation. I'll add an S at the end and type youtube.com/@machineinthesouls. This time, if you see an error or a blank page, it means the handle isn't in use, so the name is available. We are now ready to create the channel. I am already on the setup page and it is time to type the chosen name for my new channel. In this case, I want to create a new channel called The Comebackist, but I will add an S at the end to show you that YouTube always provides instant feedback. If the box turns green, it means the name is valid and available. But if it turns red, or if YouTube automatically assigns a handle that does not exactly match what you typed, like in this case, where I entered simply The Comebackist, which is the actual name of my newly created channel, then the name is already taken and you will need to adjust your channel name. So that is how you check if your YouTube channel name is available directly on YouTube. But this is only the first step. In the next video, I will show you how I search the same name on different search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo and Yandex to see if it is already being used elsewhere online. You can click on the card here or on the link at the end of this video to continue to the next step. And if you found this useful, do not forget to subscribe so you will not miss the rest of the series.